Hey, welcome to Road to Forever. It's Terry, and I'm back with another simple Daniel Fast recipe. This Daniel Fast recipe is quick and easy, and you can use it for a Daniel Fast lunch or a Daniel Fast dinner. So what I have here is these baby Bella mushrooms. I have some granulated garlic, some dried oregano leaves. I have my Rouse homemade marinara sauce, and this is Daniel Fast friendly. I've used this in other Daniel Fast videos here on my channel before. I have one sweet onion, I have some whole wheat pasta, and I have some Himalayan pink salt. And so I'm just going to cook the pasta according to the directions. So this will take about 10 minutes just in some water with a little bit of salt. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash and chop up my mushrooms as well as my onions. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute these with 1 tablespoon of olive oil until all the water evaporates from the pot. And so I'll show you what my sauteed mushroom and onions look like. Alright guys, so this is my cast iron skillet with my mushrooms and my onions, and I've been sauteing them over low to medium heat for the last 5 minutes. You can see that the water has been evaporating, the onions have become nice and translucent, and so the mushrooms are turning a really nice brown color. And then I have my pasta that's cooking on the side. So I'm just going to turn this down to really low, and once the pasta is finished cooking, then I will drain the pasta, and then I will add it to this with my seasonings, and I'll show you what that looks like in the next clip. Alright guys, so here I have my pasta which I've cooked and drained, and so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it and add it right to my mushroom and onions mix. And then I'm just going to mix that up. And guys, I'm telling you, you're going to definitely love this Daniel Fast recipe. It's delicious. It's really simple and it tastes great. So if you are excited to try this recipe, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And also when you hit that thumbs up button, you let me know if you want me to continue to show you more simple, easy, and delicious recipes for your Daniel Fast. All right, so I'm just going to let that simmer for a few minutes. So now that it's all mixed up, I'm just going to let this simmer for a few minutes. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to just sprinkle my garlic powder right over top. And then I'm also going to add some oregano. And so this is up to you how much you want to add. This is all based on your taste preferences. Then I'm just going to mix that one more time. And then, like I said, I'm just going to let this cook over medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'll show you what I do next. Alright guys, so it's been 5 minutes, and I just wanted to show you what your pasta looks like. And honestly, you could just enjoy it just like this. This is delicious. You don't need to add anything else to it because it has a great flavor between the mushrooms, the onions, the garlic, and the oregano. This is delicious as is. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some of my Rouse marinara sauce right to the pot. And then I'm just going to mix that up and let that simmer for another couple minutes, and I'll show you the final product in a minute. Alright guys, so this is what my final product looks like. So this is your delicious Daniel Fast pasta. I'm telling you, you guys are absolutely going to love this recipe. It is so delicious. If you enjoy this video, I'm asking that you give it a thumbs up, that you share it with your friends, and that you continue to subscribe for more awesome content just like this. But before you leave, I want to remind you, you're only one prayer away. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Take care.